Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Masse Art Studios. I'm Jeremy, and as you can see, there's no Lee here, my other half, my studio hubby. He's actually working in San Francisco at the moment, and we'll be back actually late tonight. If you don't know, I have been a little under the weather. I've been dealing with some back issues, and had my last little procedure done on Monday, this past Monday, and so I will be back full strength and everything soon, but I'm glad to be here with you tonight. I'm going to be doing a little painting for you guys, which I'm so excited to be back at the table again. This piece I actually got inspired by someone. She's amazing. I absolutely adore her. Her YouTube channel is called Britt Clayton Design. I love Britt. She's just, I can't say enough good things about her. So anyway, without further ado, I would like to get to the table. Oh wait, one more thing. Fluid Art Experience is coming up. If you don't know about that, check it out at our website, fluidartexperience.com. And there's also the retreat coming up with me and Kathleen, the Lakeside Retreat, which is going to be awesome. I can't wait for that either. Enough waffle, as my husband would say. Let's get to the table. Hey guys, it's Jeremy here. Excuse me. All right. Hey guys, it's Jeremy here, and I have a little bit of frog in my throat today. So just bear with me. I am really excited to be here and painting with you guys. I've been through a lot through the past couple of weeks. I had my last back procedure done yesterday, so I'm really trying to take it easy, but I did not want you guys to go without an episode tonight, so I am here painting for you. Lee is in San Francisco. He is working, so I am going to be, your guide and your entertainment for tonight. So I'm really excited. It took me a little bit thinking about what I was going to do for you guys. So I watched some videos to get inspiration, and I came across Britt Clayton Designs. If you don't know her, go check her page out. It is amazing. Her channel is incredible. She's is incredible. Just love her. And she inspired me to do this piece. What she did was she did an open cup with a black base, and she just cut a hole like in the bottom of a cup, and put it flat down and poured the paint into that and just kind of went around. That way it didn't leave this like weird round spot at the end, which in a normal, a different open cup, it would. Anyway, excuse me. Yes, so let me introduce you to my colors. Now that you know my technique, I'm going to be doing this fancy open cup. I have this gorgeous purple that I made. I mixed dioxazine purple with Prussian blue. Was it Prussian blue or? No, not Prussian blue. It was the phthalo blue, and it made this gorgeous purple. And then this is another concoction that I made. And I don't remember what this was. I think it was a little bit of the Titan Buff Dark with some golds. I think that's what that was. And then this is the Peacock Pearl by Deco Arts Metallics. And then this one is the Pebeo. This is that orange color that they have. I don't know the name of it. I'm looking right at it and I can't remember the name of it, but it is stunning. You can get, I know you can get that at the Fluid-Art Co., but it's this one. It's the high viscosity 353 iridescent orange yellow. I'm in love with this. Of course, you know I love orange. I absolutely love this color. But yes, they have that. They have all kinds of really great colors and stuff there. Also, I'm going to be adding a twist to this little piece here, this little ditty. Oh, and I forgot to, I'm using also Pearl Blue, which is the Amsterdam Amsterdam Pearl Blue. So it starts out this white and then it turns blue at the end, like when it dries. I'm really interested to see how this goes. And I think that's my colors. Now, the twist that I have with this is I have Australian Floetrol, which we got at the Fluid-Art Co. And Deco Arts Metallics, 24 karat gold, which we all love. And I also have the, which I mixed them and I made a cell activator out of it. So I plan on, doing the open cup bit, and then I'm gonna swipe some cell activator over some of it and then stretch it out and see what happens. So I'm really interested to try this out. We'll see how it goes. Let me get to flooding my canvas and torching it off, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. All right, guys, I got my canvas flooded. I got my torch out and I torched it. Now this is where the fun starts. So I got my cup with my little hole in the bottom of it, and I just need to plop it down right there. Now let's see, what color are we gonna start with first? I think I wanna go in with some of this orange because I love, oh, you know what? I'm forgetting one thing. I have to put some of this black around the bottom edge of it, which is very hard to do with this cup not being the right size here. All right, so I got black around the bottom of my cup. So let's go ahead and start with the orange here. Okay, you know me, I'm not a negative space type of person, but I really like what's happening, honestly, with this. And, I have this gold cell activator here. So I think I'm gonna kind of run it across some of this, not all of it, but just like maybe like across through here maybe, maybe a little bit through here. Yeah, I'm gonna see what happens. So let's go ahead and get some of this cell activator here on my palette knife. All right, I'm a little nervous, but let's see what happens. Let's see, is it gonna activate? Did I do this right? I'm not seeing a whole lot of activation going on. Okay, so my gold cell activator I mixed wrong or something because it's just not activating the way it should be. So I'm gonna try my white cell activator and see if this works also. So we're gonna see here, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of a spot through here. Let's see here. That seems to be activating a little bit better. Yeah, that's doing a little bit better. Okay, since I already went for it, I might as well just keep going for it. All right, you guys, I fussed with it enough. I'm really curious to see how this is gonna look whenever I tilt it, but why don't we tilt it and see what happens? Because I'm actually having a lot of fun. So I know this is crazy. I'm just playing in the studio. So, but yeah, I want to stretch it out and see what happens with this. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of of the, web, or what do you call it, lacing going through here. So I want to see what this looks like opened up. All right, let's do this. You know what time it is? It is tilting time. All right, guys, so things about this that I absolutely love, and some things that I think, you know what? I think I want to play with this a little bit more. I'm loving what happened all down here and all through here. It's like right there that's bothering me. So I think I'm going to play with it a little bit more. I think I'm going to do my open cup If I can find it. Yes, that's it. Let's see here. Let us see here. I'm going to wipe it off. And, you know, in art, you have to just keep going until you're like, you know, step away from it, play with it, have fun with it, you know. So I think I'm going to do right there. And I know this is crazy, and I probably, you know, but you got to go for it. You have to keep playing and go for it. Okay, so I'm going to let it sit a minute, wait for the cells to form, or the lacing to form, and then I'm going to just stretch it out a little bit. Because I really like everything that's going on. I just didn't like that part right there. So let's see what happens. All right, guys, so I let it sit for a few minutes. I think I need to just move it around and stretch it out just a tiny bit. So let's see what happens here. Okay, now this I love. This I really, really like. I really love this. So now that we got down something that I really like this, you guys. I really do. I loved the colors together. I loved how, like, yeah, I just love the movement of it, and I love the colors, and I love how, you know, some of the lacing came through really, really good. And yeah, it was all an experiment, all for you guys. I hope you like it. I'm happy with it. I'm calling it done. All right, guys. All right, guys, so there you have it. I am in love with this piece. I thought it just came out beautiful. It's drying amazing. I wish I could show it to you. I will show it to you at the next episode. But I love it. As you saw in the video, whenever I was painting it, the gold flow extender that I was supposed to use, not flow extender, cell activator, I didn't mix it right. And it just left a big path of beautiful 24 karat gold, but that's okay. I took care of it. And, but I loved everything else that happened. I loved the lacing. It dried really cool, or it's drying really cool. I love open cups. I haven't done one in a really long time. And, I'm looking forward to doing a lot of new stuff, coming up. And yeah, I hope everybody's good out there. Thank you all for joining me today. And I will see you next time on Masse Art Studios. Thanks, guys. Bye.